Part 1 about the project. Project reason and conception. According to Industry 4.0 is proposed by German government. Automation equipment has become a trend nowadays. Among them, we found that the current recycling volume of aluminum cans were too large, which made the recycle space become restricted in aluminum cans. An automated system that used Plc, which achieved the effect of compressed aluminum by a pneumatic cylinder to control the machine. That will be very convenient.
9 major steps. Step 1. Define the problem to be resolved. Nowadays, the awareness of environmental protection is gradually rising. In terms of recycling, aluminum cans have dependent recycling bins, but most people did not extrude them when they recycled aluminum cans, which caused the recycling bin easy to fill up. To solve this problem, we decided to make the system of extruding aluminum cans automatically. Everyone can extrude aluminum cans conveniently and reduce unnecessary space effortlessly. Step 2. Make a sketch of the process operation.
Step 3. Create a written step sequence necessary for the process. Turning on the manpower, use the control panel of the human-machine interface to select the action mode and put the inert cans in the hoppers. The pneumatic cylinder squashes the inert cans as the optical fiber sensor senses. The squashed inert cans will drop into recycling barrel. Step 4. Add some sensors and the scales as needed to carry out the control sequence.
We use optical fiber sensors to determine whether there is an aluminum can in the track. Two magnetic reed switch sense the up and low limit of the cylinder. One magnet reed is used for barrier protection, and a mentioned pressure switch sense air pressure. We use a total of 5 sensors. Step 5. Add manual control as need for process setup or operation checking. For major purpose, it adds manual control button to control session, start and stop.
Step 6. Consider the safety of the operating personnel in the back addition. Adjustments. We use photoelectric to prevent barrel which and avoiding enter the struck range of the air cylinder. Step 7. Add master stop switch as required for safe shutdown. By adding an emergency, the manpower supply can be turned off by pressing the emergency switch at any time to prevent danger.
Step 8. Create a ladder logic diagram that will be used as a basic for the Plc program. Input X0, pneumatic cylinder, orange point X1, pneumatic cylinder limit point X2. The sensor of aluminum can X3, pressure sensor X4, emergency switch X5, stop switch X6, stop button X7, the sensor of shell, output Y0, pneumatic cylinder launch, Y1, pneumatic cylinder return, Y2, system light, Y3, stop light, Y4, arrow light. This is ladder logical diagram. Step 9. Consider the what-ifs, where the process sequence may go astray. What should we do if the air pressure is not enough? Check the pipeline where it's broken. Conclusion. Material list total 800. Material name: Frutal, pneumatical cylinder, pressure regulating valve, double acting solenoid valve, pressure switch, optical fiber sensor, quick coupling, emergency switch, push button switch, aluminum cans. While
Time schedule, all items, start date, experience time, end date. Conclusion and future development. In terms of recycling, aluminum cans have independent recycling bins, but most people didn't extract them when they recycle aluminum cans, which caused the recycling bin easily to full up. The system of extracting aluminum cans automatically allows everyone can extract aluminum cans conveniently and reduce unnecessary space effortlessly. We have learned a lot from this course, learning how to write program and operation PLC when making simple automatic pressure machine and being more familiar with the automation industry. We have a primary and secondary person in charge for each job, and then lead others to complete the project together. We don't have a clean division of who is only responsible for what kind of work. We are all working together. We will contribute to whoever needs help. Our part, unit and cooperate to complete our topic. When we made this topic, it was inevitable that we did not know how to write the program. At this time, we would study this book to find our blind spot, or we might not be inspired when writing the program, so we would refer to this book. Thanks for your listening.